Hi friends, my name is Victoria and welcome to Shuffle Sculpt. Shuffle Sculpt was designed to help you sculpt your dance, body, and mind with workout programs and challenges that include strength training to help you build lean muscle and burn fat, also to help you prevent injury by building muscle to protect your joints, footwork drills, and dance fitness to help you build coordination, agility, and enhance your shuffling. Lastly, you're going to have a sense of community. Here at Shuffle Sculpt, I am all about community. Community is what has helped me stick with shuffling for so long. I started back in 2015. I gave up because I didn't know anyone else who shuffled, and it became very boring to me not having anyone to dance with or anywhere to go to dance and always feeling like I was alone. Once I found other shuffle communities and groups and I started getting more involved is when I really leveled up with my shuffling. So here at Shuffle Sculpt, you're going to get that sense of community and accountability because we're all going to be leveling up together. I will also be sharing mindset tips and strategies to help you succeed. It all starts in the mind. So I want to share everything that I've learned throughout my tennis career, my shuffling career, because that's what it is now, and through fitness and all of these things that I've done along the way and have learned from others, I want to share it with you so that we can all win together. Shuffle and Sculpt is primarily home-based and outdoor workouts. However, as a trainer, I can provide gym workouts if we were to work one-on-one and maybe in some future programs. But for now, anyone is welcome to join no matter your fitness level. No shuffling experience is needed. If you don't even want to shuffle, you just want to sculpt your body, you want to learn from me, and maybe get into shuffling in the near future, then go ahead and click that join button.